outstanding design defines the 2005 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.